Hi guys, so today's question is latest time you can obtain after replacing the character. So this has been solved. So let me take you a description of the problem. So you are given a string as representing the 12-hour format time where some of the digits possibly none are replaced with question mark. 12 hours time are formatted as HMMM. HMM, and where HH is the hours starting from 12 midnight to 11:59 in the morning, like double zero to double one, not beyond 11, like 12, 13, 14. It is a limit of double zero to double one, and the minutes is from double zero to 59. Earliest 12-hour format start from double zero double zero to double 11:59, not 12, 13, 14. Okay, uh, you have to replace all the characters in a such that we can obtain the maximum 12-hour format, latest 12 possible. So like this, if you replace the question mark, obviously the question mark value at this point of time will be 5. So you will have to replace with the 5, the maximum value. Similarly, if this is the question mark, you have to replace with the maximum value, it is 9. The twist is here, how you can replace the value to get the maximum time. Remember, you have to can start from the double zero to double one only. So if this is the question mark, then you have to check this value. Okay, so let me take the possible scenarios, how it will work. If first is the question mark and second is zero, so you have to replace it with one with the maximum value always. If this is the question mark and both is the question mark, you have to replace both of them with one. If this is three, means I'm telling you how to replace the first value based on the second value. So if it is zero question mark, then you have to replace always it by one. As soon as it gets greater than one, that like two, three, four, you can't replace it by one because the maximum time you can obtain is one. Okay, you have to replace it this with zero. So this is for the first character, how you can manipulate the first character to get the maximum time. Similarly, the second time, if it is a question mark and first one is zero, so you can replace it the maximum, that is 9. Okay, because after 9, 10, 10 will come and this is already zero. And if it is one, obviously you have to replace it with one. So how this value, last two values, blindly you can replace with the maximum value, but this value depends upon this value, and second value depends upon this first value. Like I have converted into first the string into character array. Then for the first string, if I noted if it is question mark is given, if it is not defined, then I will scan the second value. Second value is like question mark zero or one. I will replace it with one. As soon as it gets greater than one, like two or three here, I will replace the first value always with zero because the maximum limit is one. Okay. Similarly, for the first value, this question mark, I will scan this value. If this value is zero, then I will replace it with 9. Otherwise, if it is one, I will replace it with one. Other values, the last two values, always we'll have to replace it with the maximum values, and from the character array, I have concatenated the string and return the answer. Thank you.